Lee-Span, this is now a Category 4 storm.
And we knew that was possibly going to happen. Meteorologist Amanda Holly and I have been talking about the fact that we have the Hurricane Hunter in there, really getting more data and moving over very warm waters. In fact, some of the warmest waters in the Gulf of Mexico. So winds of 140 miles per hour, which does make it a Category 4 hurricane. And that's exactly what we were forecasting. We were kind of hoping that maybe that would save the Fort Myers coastline from a Category 4 strike, but that does now look like that is in the cards for them. So at 2 p.m. today, so we're looking at less than 12 hours before we make a landfall with 140 mile per hour winds around Port Charlotte or Fort Myers. But then we see this starting to shift more in the inland areas. And because it is so strong when it makes landfall and it's moving pretty quickly, we're going to get that hurricane force wind. This is at 2 a.m. So while you're sleeping, if you can sleep through that, in places like Polk County, Eastern Hillsborough County, Northern Highlands County near Sebring, that's when the hurricane is going to move through your area when it's dark, and then it's going to finally head up, as I was saying, over toward Florida's east coast. Showing you Max Defender 8 right now. We are keeping an eye on the northern eye wall. It is already showing up using our local Max Defender 8 radar. And look at those rain bands. Everything's going to move in a counterclockwise fashion around that center of circulation. So there's a lot of rain bands with heavy rain and strong winds. Also embedded in these rain bands, the possibility of tornadoes. We've seen that a lot in South Florida, but now as the whole system begins to lift back to the north, we're going to see those potential tornadoes embedded in these rain bands for us as well. So don't be surprised. I think we got I think we might have a tornado watch in effect right now for places along and south of I-4 at this point. So again, that's an update that just came in since I've been talking to you. Again, things are changing on the fly. You can kind of see it here underneath the radar that the Polk County starts shading in red, and that means a tornado watch has been issued. We told you that was probably going to happen. Anytime we have a landfalling tropical system, you often get those tornadoes. And a lot of those computer models really right in agreement with what is going to happen, what we've been seeing with the Hurricane Center's forecast going toward the Fort Myers community and then right through our interior counties. That's what we could see locally. Now we're going to talk a little bit about what we're seeing right now rather than a forecast. Amanda? Oh, let's see. Let's come over to Amanda.
So yes, let's kind of break down everything that's going on right now. That tornado watch, I just had a chance to look at the chat and get a little more updates. Tornado watch was expanded northward, now includes Polk County and into Sarasota and Manatee County. And as we go a little bit later on in the day, that tornado watch will likely be expanded even farther to the north. But right now, Polk, Highlands, Hardee, and DeSoto, Sarasota, Manatee County. You guys are under that tornado watch because we're going to be watching for those bands to roll through with the possibility for those isolated quick spin up tornadoes. But yeah, let's look at these current wind speeds. This is again updated about every hour for us, and these are what the wind speeds that we're experiencing right now. The strongest winds are down to our south. The lightest winds, as you go farther to the north, it makes sense that those winds would be a lot lower. Citrus County, it's a nice little light breeze for you. But down in Sarasota County, Venice, sustained winds right now at 30 miles per hour. Even in Sebring, 24 miles per hour. Then you put on the gusts. So these are the quick bursts of winds. 45 mile per hour gusts. That's tropical storm force there in Venice. Sebring, 35 miles per hour, 26 in Winter Haven and Bartow. So certainly things starting to get breezier. We've been dealing with the rain, but now that rain is going to pick up in intensity and last all the way through tomorrow morning as the system kind of moves through our area. So we're actually in this high risk for excessive rainfall, and we have a good chance to see in localized areas flash flooding because of the amount of rain that we're going to see over the next day and a half. These are some estimated rainfall totals throughout the entirety of the storm, and these color tables, you really got to look at the color tables carefully. These dark reds here, that's upwards of 10 inches, and we're going to see a good swath of that near the center. But those pinks and into those purples, we're getting upwards of 15, 20 inches of rainfall in localized areas. So we're going to see that flooding from those heavy rains over the next couple of days. We're going to be watching for that. And this is what we're talking about here. As the system moves through on future radar, you can really see how the heaviest rain is on the northern side of this system. So all of it's going to continue to spread throughout the area area today and into this afternoon and evening. You can see the heavy rain really embedded within it, especially near the eye wall. And then the system's going to continue to slowly pass into our central areas. Ian's going to head inland throughout the evening tonight. And then we're going to see conditions improving throughout the day tomorrow. Look how on the southern side of it, there's not a whole lot of rain. So we're actually going to be decreasing those rain chances pretty quickly as we head throughout the evening, the afternoon hours tomorrow. Lee.
And you can really get a look at it here. I've kind of broken it down generically hour by hour for you. I mean, basically 100% rain chance all day today and in through the late afternoon and evening. Still some pretty good rain chances, obviously, overnight. But even by about midday tomorrow, we're really ramping that rain chance down, although keeping the strong winds in place, guys.